Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and now I will give you a market update, what is going on in the world of cryptocurrencies. So let's go. Bitcoin, very interesting what's going on right now. You can see we have this downward sloping trend line, that has been going on since March, First of all, let me show you my open trades, sorry. As you can see right now on Phemex, I have 2 trades open. Right now about $8,000 in a profit. Was already up more a little bit today, but I will show you why or what happened. So let me show you this trend line here. And of course, if you also want to trade, guys, you find the links for Phemex and Bybit with over $8,000 of bonuses down in the description of the video, okay? If you want to trade, just check the links in the description. So this downward sloping trend line has been going on since March, okay? Since March. And right about now, we are going to break it. I mean, if you take a look here, you might say, okay, we already broke it. But first of all, what is important? We need a daily close outside of this line, okay? Daily close. Right now, we are working on this, okay? But I would say it's still not the moment to go completely crazy and too bullish. Why? Because this could of course also be a fake out, okay? This means we could go up a little bit and then go down again under this trend line, okay? So always be cautious. If you don't have any trades right now, I will show you on the smaller time frames what you can do. So let's check this out. The same somehow for Ethereum, as you can see here. Ethereum also broke this downward sloping trend line, okay? So for Ethereum it looks pretty good right now because we already have daily closes outside of this trend line, okay? So but let's check Bitcoin. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. You see we have a lot of resistance and support levels around this area here between 90 and 24k. So what happened? Let me even go to the smaller time frame, like the hourly, okay? So we broke out of this ascending channel here, the turquoise one, okay? You see here we broke out, okay? Usually, you know, a confirmed breakout looks like, usually like this. Let me show you like this, you go up like this. The previous resistance becomes support and then we bounce off, okay? And then once we go above the previous high, then it's the moment to go, so to say, crazy or to make, if you don't have a position right now, to make a position, to open a trade, or to even increase your existing trade, okay? So best case scenario, like maybe for example, we could go down here, then, I mean, the best case scenario is of course that we shoot up straight, okay? But we could go down here, test this previous resistance as new support and then go up again. But let me show you even on the smaller time frames. Right now we have this 24k level here, and first of all, now we broke this upwards sloping trend line, okay? As you can see, we came down here. The target of a channel like this, I mean, I didn't draw the second line, but basically it would look like this. So you can see the channel. Let's just do it pretty quick. So the target of this channel, if it breaks down, an ascending channel is more likely to break to the downside, and as you can see, it did it. So the target would be the beginning of the channel. That means at let's say about 23.3k dollar range, okay? So right now we could go down like this. As I've told you before, we could even touch this line. Should then this line become the new support, we go up again and then we can attack the 24k dollar level again, because as you can see we went up a little bit, we had a little fake out, so to say, and then bam, all the way back down. That's why my trades are just over $8,000 in the profit right now. Of course they were already higher, it was like over 10 or 10.5k, but this can be a reversal, so let's see what happens. You know, guys, if you also want to trade, and take advantage of this market situation, you know, it doesn't matter. Even if it would go down here and we break this line, of course you can make money if the market goes up or down. It doesn't matter, in each direction we can make money. We can just open short positions, for example, then. And it's also important that you follow me on Twitter, because on Twitter I give you updates when we can enter a new trade or when we can make the trade bigger or whatever. Okay, so that's why it's also important that you follow me on Twitter. But as of right now, remain cautious. I mean, I would not open any trade right now. Let's see if we touch this line here, or if we go back up again and attack the 24K level again. Let's see what happens. Right now, we should just wait, because it's better to be really confident in a trade than to do just anything. Okay, we wait for patterns, we wait for confirmations, and then we make our trade. Okay, guys? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.